Hello!
Hello!
Today we are at the Black Country Museum in Dudley near Birmingham. Somewhere we've wanted to come for ages. We've never quite been able to fit it into our schedule, but today we are here and I'm so excited. You?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I love places like this, and it's so good to jump back in history and get a feel of what the past was like. So excited for today.
We're here today to find out what it's like, if you should go, and is it worth the ticket price. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We do day out videos all across the country and upload once a week. So you ready to explore?
Let's go.
Here's a map of the Black Country Museum. You can see it's sort of split up into sectors. So you've kind of got the black gold mining area, you've got marvellous machines, 1930s stories, so that's like a sort of town villagey part here. You then got the workshops of the world with the Canal, and very much more the industrial area. And this is the main sort of villagey part up here, which gives you a sort of insight into how the usual normal people lived. So there's plenty to explore here, loads of kind of shows and talks going on everywhere. Looking forward to it. If you come here to the Black Country Museum, the one thing everyone has to do is get fish and chips from this shop here. It's all cooked in beef dripping, so it's definitely not vegetarian, not that fish is anyway, but it is absolutely delicious. We're just walking into the main kind of village area with like a sweet shop, fish and chip shop, various clothing shops. There's a women's sort of dress shop and a men's tailors, shoe like cobblers, a chemist, just everything. Oh, there's a big pub behind us there, you can see. But again, it's just all really well done. It's all, I think, genuine buildings that have been demolished and then they've rebuilt them kind of piece by piece. Here, fantastic.
There's something really fun going into all these like little shops and going back in time. It just makes you really appreciate everything you have kind of now.
A big bottle and glass in pub, and it is very old fashioned, so much so that it has got sawdust on the floor. You can see the bar at the back there. Any pub with sawdust on the floor is my kind of place. Giant custard cream, treacle tart,
Gingerbread, a
lemon
massive
baked.
bourbon.
Look at the size of that bourbon.
I may have to get one.
Want some dessert after your fish and
please.
chips?
Yes.
So we're just in the sweet shop looking to buy some rhubarb custards. You see they've got loads of things here. So much to choose from. What's really interesting is they've got all the moulds on the back wall here for making the shaped sweets. And loads of choice. Got a great selection of lollies. You can even get some old school licorice root, bonbons, Colt's Foot Rock, which looks really weird, including some herbal tablets, which probably I can't imagine taste very good. But we got some strawberry bonbons and some rhubarb custards.
Yes, we did. Is there anything in the house you'd want in our house?
Not particularly, but I do love the signs they put in here. So they do them in like Black Country speak and then Common English.
Oh yeah.
So you can't sit here, our kid.
Please do not sit here.
So they have some street games here.
No.
All close.
Sorry.
And you hit yourself in the face with it.
What? Make it look too simple. Way too simple.
Keep it down here. Lower the better. If it once it gets past 9 o'clock, you've had it.
At 5 years old, they would have had another job. Their job would be to pump the bellows. Now, I don't know about you, but I ain't seen many 5-year-olds who are 6'4" like me. So you had to modify it a bit. You tie a rope around there, you dangle a load down, Or you tell them they're going to be a bell ringer when they're older, so they're going to pull the rope, let it go, pull the rope, let it go, pull the rope, let it go. They only have to do that for 12 hours a day, so it's not too bad.
So we're just exploring kind of the foundry area. I think this is the area where sort of Peaky Blinders is filmed. So you can see you've got the canal going around it and all of these kind of engineering industrial buildings. We're pretty sure this is where various bits of Peaky Blinders have been filmed.
You know when there's always like a dead body within the like canal boat and they're always trying to hide it because they're doing dodgy deals?
When they're trying to get rid of bodies, they always put them on a canal boat. And I'm pretty sure it's in this canal somewhere that they use for filming. It is amazing here, just kind of how immersive the whole place is, because it's almost sort of so real, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's kind of like, say you went to Disneyland or Disney World.
And they did like a 1930s industrial land.
Yeah, it's like that, but it's more real, obviously. It's not really artificial. It's like they've brought buildings from certain areas and brought them into this museum area, and it's an incredible experience so far.
It's coal. We also had limestone mining, we had the coal mining, of course we had fireclay pits, iron ore pits. They don't know how much gas they're exploding underground. So you're walking along, you can't see anything because it's really dark down there, you can't see your hand in front of your face. You light your candle and...
That talk about the kind of gases and the dangers of mining was really good.
It was really interesting. Obviously just showing, like, it's like kind of like a classroom, isn't it? Just showing you the effects of like the gases and what can happen to the miners. Yeah, it was really good actually, really informative.
The guy doing the presentation, really good, has some great sort of little anecdotes and things, a few little jokey bits in there as well. And then obviously there's kind of a bit of a spectacle showing you the fire and sort of the science experiments. Well worth it. Unfortunately, at the minute, the mines are closed because they're doing work to add new buildings to the Black Country Museum, so they have had to close the mines. You can't go down there at the minute. But that as a little alternative gives you a sit down, particularly if it's really hot or it's raining, it's all indoors. Lasted about, I'd say 15 minutes, something like that. Yeah, well worth a visit. So that is our day over here at the Black Country Museum. What did you think?
I really enjoyed it. Even if some things aren't open fully, it's still a really good day out.
Yeah, I would agree. I think it probably depends on what day you come here. If you come here on like a bank holiday, I bet there's loads of sort of additional events going on, loads of actors and things. If you come here on a standard Tuesday afternoon, sort of in autumn or winter, there's probably less to see and do. The fish and chips were fantastic, really, really good. Same as those sweets and the bakery and everything like that. There's so much to see and do here. So I think we've probably spent about 4 or 5 hours, and there's still probably bits we've missed. Price-wise, adults are $19.95 and kids are $9.95. I would say that's probably about right, really.
If you do buy a ticket, it does last 12 months, so it's like an annual pass anyway, so that's really good.
Yeah, £20 for a year's entry to the Black Country Museum. I think that is a fantastic deal, really good. So all in all, a really fantastic day out. So pleased to come here. And that's pretty much it from us today, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!